Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle web camera on your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. First of all, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Now in Settings we want to select Bluetooth and Devices menu on the sidebar, navigate down to Cameras, open this menu, and if it's your select the camera that you want to disable. If it's your web camera, it's integrated webcam option, and here select disable. If you want to turn it off, then click yes, and then the camera will be disabled. To enable it again, click enable. Alternatively, you can also just use the manual shutter at the top of your camera to either shut it or open it manually. And so that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.